Benvenuti alla Fontana. Welcome to La Fontana, authentic Italian restaurant in Charleston, South Carolina. Okay, and here we are. We're going to go ahead and make us our traditional calzone with some pre-made dough. Giovanni's going to go ahead and spread out. I'll explain to you a little bit about the dough. Basically, the dough is made with, of course, flour, water, yeast. Most of the times, you can go to your local bakery, and they won't mind. You might be able to buy like a couple little small 7 to 8 ounce little balls to go ahead and make yourself a little calzone homemade. And here's Giovanni right now is topping it up with some fresh mozzarella right now. And he's going to do the ricotta cheese right over here. And again, your local bakery shouldn't give you no problems. You can go ahead and buy the dough pre-made. But then again, if you like to make it yourself. I mean, like I said, some flour, yeast, water, a little bit of olive oil. Mix it all together. And here he is. He's going to go ahead and close his calzone. The oven's got to be at 550. Okay? Get it nice and hot and preheated. 5 or 6 minutes, at the most 7 minutes is a perfect timing. Okay, and we're back, and we're going to go get our calzone with our pre-made dough. Okay, Giovanni? Oh, look how beautiful. Wow. And this is our wonderful cheese calzone with pre-made dough.